Hello students, welcome back to Rasayan. In this video I am going to explain one of the applications of resonance or mesomeric effect, stability of carbocation. First we will compare the stability of these three carbocations. Remember, the more the number of resonating structure, the more will be the stability of the species. Now see here in this structure, means this one, double bond, single bond, positive charge are in conjugation, so resonance is possible. Here also double bond, single bond, single bond, positive charge, so resonance is possible. Here conjugation is there, you can see double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and here also double bond, single bond, positive charge, double bond, single bond, positive charge. So everywhere resonance is possible. Here you can see number of resonating structures are 2, here 3 and here 5. So the more the number of resonating structure, the more is the stability of the carbocation. So this one is more stable, then this one, then this one. So this is increasing order of stability. Now see here you are having 4 carbocations. This is triphenyl methyl, this is diphenyl methyl, this is benzyl carbocation, and this is allyl. This is allylic carbocation. This is benzyl carbocation. And this one is also called trityl cation. So you have to show the stability order. So in the previous example, we have seen that benzylic carbocation is having 5 resonating structures. So what's about this one? This is having this structure. And what is about this? It is having 3 benzene ring. And this is this one. So with one benzene ring, 5 resonating structures are there. Here more number of resonating structures are there because 2 benzene rings are there in conjugation with positive charge. Here 3 benzene rings are there with conjugation of positive charge. So more number of resonating structures. So between these 3, if you compare, this is the most stable one. This is so much stable, its salt you can isolate. Okay. Next this one, then this one. Then what is about benzylic and allylic carbocation? If you compare the resonating structures, you know about the resonating structure of benzylic carbocation. What is about allylic carbocation? This is one resonating structure. Here I am showing CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2 plus, double bond single bond positive charge. Next resonating structure you can write here positive charge, CH single bond, then CH2. So you can see these 2 structures are nothing but equivalent resonating structures. They are having more contribution to the resonance hybrid. It gives more stability to the system. So in some books it is given that these and these are having almost equal stability. But experimentally it is observed that since benzylic carbocation is having 5 resonating structures, it is having only 2 resonating structures. It is more stable than this one. One important question came in the exam JEE Main 2013 about the order of stability of this species. So this is important one. Next is these 3. Double bond, single bond, positive charge, double bond, single bond, positive charge from this side also, double bond, single bond, positive charge. So conjugation is from both the side. Here it is C6H5 plus. So what's about stability of these 3 species? Now see here more conjugated structure you can get. First take this one. I'm giving here this one number 1, this is 2, this is 3. So take this one. Here positive charge, here double bond is coming. Now see, positive charge, single bond, double bond. So here you are not getting conjugation, but this pi bond you can clip. This is in conjugation with positive charge. So you think about this structure once again, and you can clip this pi bond here. You will get this structure. So here you will get this resonance structure. So 3 resonance structures are possible. Here also positive charge, then single bond, double bond, no resonance. So here we are getting 3 resonating or resonance structure. So from this carbocation we are getting 3 resonating structures. From 1 we are getting 2 resonating structures. What is about 3C6H5 plus? Here positive charge is localized. Positive charge is localized. It is not getting conjugative stability. It is not getting conjugative stability. So it is most unstable. So stability order, first one is this one, 2, then 1 and then 3. What is about the stability order of these 3 carbocation? Here positive charge, single bond, then lone pair. So they are in conjugation. Positive charge, single bond, then lone pair. So here no conjugation. Here also no conjugation. So this one is most stable due to resonance. You know na how to write resonating structure for this species. It will supply electron density here. You will get this one as resonating structure. So this is the most stable one. So since here there is no resonance because positive charge and lone pair, they are not in conjugation. So what we have to think? We have to think about minus I effect. Here plus M effect we are considering of halogen chlorine. Here we have to consider minus I effect. Here also minus I effect. Since positive charge is far from Cl here, so there is less minus I effect and here it is more. So if here you are considering minus I effect, it will increase the positive charge density, so species will become less stable. Since here distance is more, therefore stability order wise this is more stable. And here distance is less, so minus I effect is more. Here distance is more, distance of Cl is more from positive charge, so minus I effect is less. That's why that species is more stable than this one. So this is the stability order. Now what is about these two species? Suppose you are having positive charge here, CO aldehyde group, and here CH2 CHO. Double bond, single bond, positive charge all are in conjugation, but here these are not in conjugation. Still here resonance is not possible because if you break this bond, this carbon will become plus and adjacent position two positive charges are not stable, so we are not considering resonance. So here no resonance. Here also resonance is not possible because double bond, single bond, positive charge, all those are not in conjugation. So we have to think about minus I effect of CHO group. Here minus I effect is strong because this is adjacent to this positive charge. So here minus I effect is more, and here minus I effect is less because CHO group is far from this positive charge. So minus I effect is less. So if minus I effect is more, means it will pull the electron density towards itself and positive charge density will increase. But we know neutral species is more stable. Obviously, its stability will be less than this one. So if we are giving it 1, this is 2. So which one is more stable? 2 is more stable than 1. So in this video till this, in next video we will do application of resonance or mesomeric effect to compare the stability of carbon ion. Thank you for watching.